Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you build your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to run Pinterest ads, track visitors and measure conversions, you can integrate the Pinterest tag in 2026, but only in a realistic builder safe way. The key truth, Hostinger Websites Builder doesn't support full Pinterest tag injection like WordPress or Shopify. However, basic and reliable Pinterest tracking is possible if you follow the right method. So most people fail because they try to install the tag globally or via GTM. So we will not do that. Okay, first thing first, create a Pinterest tag. So this is required. Go to Pinterest ad. Okay, we have to have an account. So click create Pinterest tag. Okay. Then choose manual setup, copy the base tag code. You need the full JavaScript tag, not just the ID. So now add the Pinterest tag to Hostinger Website Builder. Okay, so log into Hostinger H panel. Okay, go to websites, then tap edit the website. So you have to have an upgraded account. So then add a custom HTML section. So paste the entire Pinterest tag script, place it on homepage or main landing pages, save and publish. Okay, and that's it, guys. So verify Pinterest tag is working. For example, in Pinterest Ads Manager, go to conversions, tag Pinterest tag, and then open tag helper or test events. Visit your sites in incognito mode or browse pages. Okay, so if you see page visits events dedicated, it have been success. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.